In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a resume template in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean professional PDF you can send to recruiters or upload to job portals, all without losing your formatting. Start on your resume page in Notion. Look to the very top right corner of the page for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More menu. This is where Notion hides page-specific actions, including export. If your window is narrow, the icon may be small, so maximize your window. If you don't see it right away, go ahead and open that menu to reveal the export option. Inside that menu, choose Export. This tells Notion you're ready to create a shareable version of your page. If you can't find Export, make sure you're viewing the page itself, not just a database preview, and that you have permission to export the content. Using the desktop app or a full browser window generally gives the most reliable results. When the export dialog appears, pick your format. For a resume, select PDF. PDF is ideal because it preserves layout, spacing, and fonts across different devices. So what you see in Notion is what hiring managers will see on their end. Notion may show other formats like HTML or Markdown, which are great for editing elsewhere. But for professional sharing, PDF is the standard. With PDF selected, you're ready to proceed. The default export settings typically work well for resumes, and they keep things simple. If you notice optional controls, you can usually leave them as they are for a straightforward single-page export. Consistency is key. The fewer variables you change here, the more likely your resume will look exactly as intended. Now, confirm the action by clicking Export. Notion will generate the PDF and either download it automatically to your default downloads folder or prompt you to choose a location, depending on your system. The file name usually matches your page title, which you can rename afterward to something professional and clear, like Resume Job Title Year. Once the file is created, you're all set. A quick glance at the downloaded PDF is a good practice to ensure headings, spacing, and any icons or images render correctly. If you see unexpected page breaks or extra white space, small layout tweaks back in Notion, like tightening line spacing or shortening a section, can help bring everything onto the page more neatly before you export again. And that's the entire process. Open the More menu, choose Export, select PDF, and confirm. In just a few clicks, your Notion resume becomes a polished, portable document ready to share.